coming from, partner?
My house.
So you was just minding your own business, they just stopped you?
They stopped.
Yeah.
Is that Christian Mobile? Is that Christian Mobile? Huh? Is that Christian Mobile? I have no fucking clue.
August 12th, 2025. I was heading to Walgreens, but on my way to Walgreens, I encountered a police unit at the stoplight. After the light turned green, this police unit began to speed, driving at least 15 miles over the speed limit, sparking my curiosity.
Where you coming from, partner?
This man had just come out of Harps and was being unlawfully detained. He was not disturbing the peace, nor had anyone called the police on him. So why is he being unlawfully detained? In the state of Arkansas, police need reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime to detain you. These officers are clearly violating this man's Fourth Amendment rights.
My house. Came out of school.
Mm-hmm. Who were you hanging out with earlier?
I wasn't even nobody. I was at my house.
Where's your house at?
Over on North Church Street.
North Church.
Don't fire over landlord.
Where out of North Church? What's the number?
1708.
That's 17. You didn't meet up with nobody?
No, I have not. I just got it up here. Just went through the store.
You got your ID on you?
I don't have it on me. It's in the car. David Tilly.
Oh, it's in
It's
your
my
probation.
girlfriend. Yes, it's my girlfriend.
You on probation, parole, anything like
That's
that?
right.
TILL. You care if I search for you and nothing on you?
If an officer has probable cause to search you, he will. They will never ask for consent. Never give police consent to search you without probable cause.
Here. You didn't get a ride from nobody earlier? You just been walking, came search in your house?
I was more of my girlfriend.
Who's your girl?
Drinking.
She at work right now?
No, we go to
Where are you headed to now?
What is the reason for all these questions? They never had reasonable suspicion of a crime to detain him. Any questions being asked after the fact are just pointless.
Right here, where?
right over here.
Oh, how often do you do that?
Not very often.
Just while you can.
You think he just set that note down, or you think he did?
Yeah,
This man is clearly being harassed and profiled. Why else would 4 police units be at the scene for a guy who didn't commit any crimes? They really have too much time on their hands and nothing better to do. Jonesboro is the most corrupt town in the state of Arkansas. They literally build their infrastructure and fund the Jonesboro Police Department by poor policing and the imprisonment of everyday working citizens.
And sitting directly left. A little too close. Yeah. And hadn't been hadn't met anybody that I hadn't met anybody when he or second kept hearing there's this.
Is that Christian Mobile? Is that Christian Mobile? Huh? Is that Christian Mobile?
I have no fucking clue.
What does it matter if he has a warrant? He was unlawfully detained to begin with. In the state of Arkansas, police cannot arrest a pedestrian who has been stopped without reasonable suspicion. Even if the pedestrian has an outstanding warrant, if the initial stop is illegal due to lack of reasonable suspicion, any discovery of a warrant may be considered fruit of the poisonous tree and not be admissible in court.
Where he puts shit down.
Which is weird.
And of course,
Yeah, it'd have to be sitting right on top. I hopped up there and tried to. I mean, you could get Doggo and put him up here. I don't know if it's worth it to you.
I'm not
Who's to say that that's where, you know?
He's got nothing. He's good to go. Caught in the county warrant. They're not going to pick up. I checked him for locals. He doesn't know any. So.
Partner, you're free to leave. Have a good one.
He was always free to leave. No crime had ever been committed. They always act as if they're doing you a favor by unlawfully detaining you, violating your rights, and not taking you to jail. But then again, this is the Jonesboro Police Department. What do you expect?
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? They just stopped you
Yeah, they just stopped me.
for no reason?
They checked me and everything.
They just stopped you for no reason?
Yep.
You say you didn't do nothing?
I wasn't doing nothing. Not a thing.
What they trying to say?
They just started me around my name.
Yeah.
That's all they did.
Yeah. So you was just minding your own business. They just stopped you.
Then they stopped.
Yeah. Hey.
You tell me, how does this look? 4 units for a guy who did absolutely nothing. This is the worst police department in the state of Arkansas. They're clueless when it comes to the rights of citizens. We're not granted freedom of movement from public servants. Freedom is a God-given right. I'm going to continue to bring awareness to this corrupt police department by any means necessary. Hopefully, this gentleman will learn that he has rights which are protected under the Constitution. Change starts with education, and education leads to the change of mind. We've been taught to believe that law enforcement are always right and never to question them. Well, I'm here to challenge that way of thinking. That's all I have for this video, and thanks for watching.